Hi and welcome back to my channel guys, and in today's video we'll be creating a blue eyeshadow makeup look on my model Shona. I will be mentioning every product throughout this video in each step so you guys know what product I've used. Ta-da! So we're finally done with the eyes, and now moving on to the skin, my favorite part. I'm just going to prep her skin using toner and moisturizer before we apply the foundation. I'm now correcting her skin using a concealer, which is a little bit red, so not too red because she doesn't have any hyperpigmentation or any dark spots, but just a little bit to brighten the skin before we apply the foundation. I don't know why in the video the foundation looks a little bit light, which you will see will look fine in a bit. It's maybe the lighting. I really don't know why it looks light, because in reality it was all fine. So yeah, I thought I would just mention that. This is the complete look. I hope you guys like this look, and we also changed into an Asian wear to show you guys the difference. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and share, and hit the subscribe button. I will be posting every single week, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Before I close the video, I really want to thank Shona for being my model. It was a pleasure meeting you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.